Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Mumbo Burger. First thing we gotta do is make the Mumbo sauce. So, to a pot, we're going to add 1 cup of ketchup, along with a half a cup of white vinegar. Just a little bit more ketchup for the residue that's left over in the cup. Then you want approximately a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And then you want a 1/4 cup of Frank's hot sauce or your favorite hot sauce. I just used Frank's for this recipe. Then you want to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And then you want to add 1 tablespoon of paprika or cayenne pepper if you want this a little bit spicier. And then a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then you want to give this a good whisk around. And basically you just want to whisk this until everything is mixed together. Okay, and over a medium heat, you want to stir this, let everything blend together, and you want to keep this on the heat for about 5 minutes, and then turn it off, allow it to cool, and then pour it into a condiment bottle. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So that's really it for the sauce. All right, let's get on making the burgers. Okay, as you can see here, we've got our burger patties. They are 1/4 pound burger patties. Or 4 ounces, if you don't know what a 1/4 pound is. So 4-ounce patties. I press them thin using the 2-plate method that I have done here I don't know how many times in this channel, so you should know what that is. All right, outside of that, a couple of minutes aside, and the seasoning is just salt and pepper. On an unrelated note, I am putting down pineapple slices for another burger. Okay, through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are almost done, but it's time to give them some squirts of the Mumbo sauce. Again, you want this to kind of caramelize on the burgers, and you're going to do this on both sides. So again, you don't want to wait till they're damn near done cooking. So, while they still got a little bit of give, start glazing them with the Mumbo sauce. Okay, as you can see here, I've been flipping them around a lot, just adding more and more of that sauce. Now it's time to give these burgers one final flip, and now it's time to add the cheese to our patties. Okay, so I'm adding a white American cheese to the burger patties, 1 slice each. And give the cheese a couple of minutes to melt up. Then we'll take them out the grill and bring them into the house. Okay, as you can see here, we got our nicely toasted bun. And again, really take the extra couple of minutes to toast your bun. It really does help it out quite a bit. Now we're going to add some lettuce. Our burger patties. Come on, Dave. What the hell are you doing? A couple of strips of bacon and just a bit more Mumbo sauce. Why are there no pickles on this? Because believe it or not, I actually forgot to add them. I know, I'm a piece of shit. But that's really it. So that's the Mumbo Burger. Done.